Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn off the recenter on attack camera option in God of War Ragnarök on the PS5. First, using the arrow buttons, navigate to settings, select using the X button, then navigate to gameplay using the arrow buttons and select with the X. Then navigate to recenter camera on attack in the challenge level, also using the arrow buttons, and change it to off or other option if it's your preferable option. That's it for today's video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks.